How's it going, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Reshoevn8er. Thank you for tuning in. The moment you've been waiting for, maybe not quite the moment you've been waiting for because we're not giving them away right now, but you can enter into the Yeezy contest right now. All you have to do, go to our website, click the giveaway tab, that's one way, or you can click the tab or the link below in the description and it'll take you to the directions on how you can enter into this contest. At the end of each month, we will basically be choosing one winner at random, and that's one every single month in the year of 2018, which means 12 pairs of Yeezys. The only reason I'm doing that is because people were making fun of me last time when I hit 10 because I only had 10 fingers, but anyways, that's a whole nother story. So make sure you go ahead and go to the website, click the giveaway tab for your chance to win a pair of Yeezys. The shoes will be chosen at random too. We're gonna have a nice Wheel of Fortune board and we're gonna have them all listed on that board. As soon as you spin it, or as soon as we spin it, I guess, whatever it lands on is the shoe you will get. So you have a chance to win some pretty dope Yeezys, I must say so myself. We got Johnny Bubbles behind the camera right now, making faces at me, trying to make me laugh on camera, but it's not gonna work. Not today, not tomorrow, not any month in 2018. So, oh, see, you got me, yeah. So, I don't know what else to say, but congratulations to you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That's gonna get you one entry, and all you need is one. On the last contest we had, we did have a winner, and all he did was subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I don't remember if his was the first place winner. It was, the first place winner. He ended up choosing the restoration kit. Second place decided to choose the Hyper Dunks. And then third and fourth place have not contacted us back. So if they don't contact us within the next 48 to 72 hours, we're gonna choose two more winners for the third and fourth place of the 350 400K giveaway. I know I'm supposed to talk about something else, and I totally forgot. Oh, I got you. The Yeezys that we're gonna be giving away are basically every version of the V2. You have a chance to win every version of the V2, the Calabasas, new upcoming versions of the V2 as well throughout the year. And one more thing, we decided it's a big challenge, but you guys are up for it. If we get 1 million subscribers by the end of 2018, we will give you guys a pair of Red Octobers. Red Octobers. We will have a contest and the winner will get a pair of Red October Yeezys. If we can hit 1 million subscribers by the end of the year, we'll give one pair of Red Octobers away. So share our channel, tell people about it, whatever it takes to get us there, and that way you might have a chance of winning those Red Octobers. So that's pretty much all I gotta say. Thank you guys. Thanks for tuning in and watching. And next time you see Johnny Bubbles,
I'll be on that side.
he'll be on this side of the camera, I guess. So peace out, thank you.